I can't even begin to sugarcoat the God-honest truth and facts that I am a procrastinator with everything in life. I find a way to take my damn time. And today I decided that I am going to go get my Halloween costume. I didn't necessarily decide. I kind of have no choice unless I plan on going as Eruggls for Halloween. My Halloween costume though this year, so it is very specific. It involves, God, that is hot. It involves a movie that I am very, very passionate about and that I love very much. But that's not specifically what this vlog is gonna be about. I just thought that I would document my stresses because they're there. And in order to purchase this costume, and I'm putting that in quotes right now, but I can't because my hands are on the wheel. But in order to, you know, let you know exactly where I am purchasing this costume at, it is somewhere that I buy actually my typical everyday wardrobe, and that is Goodwill. So hopefully I can find exactly what I'm looking for. It is pretty specific, and I'm hoping that they have it. If they don't, so we'll see. We'll see. Alright, I got my costume, I got my shoes, I'm ready to go. It's pretty cool to utilize stores, obviously like Goodwill and Salvation Army, and just those secondhand stores that have actual costumes inside. Goodwill has a section entirely for just Halloween costumes, which I thought was pretty badass. So definitely if you are, you know, going to be looking for an actual costume this year and not necessarily throwing like a DIY costume together, still check out your secondhand stores, because it's honestly crazy how, you know, much stuff you can find, and it's good for the environment too. Everything that goes into making costumes is crazy. The clothing industry in general is awful for the environment. It is one of the top, if not the top now, I believe, factor in diminishing the planet. So that sucks. That's really sad, just to celebrate Halloween, which Halloween is really cool, but I'm sure that the object of Halloween was not to destroy the earth. So make sure that if you can, try to shop secondhand, shop thrifted stuff. Okay, today we're going to bake a cake using a microwave instead of an oven.
Yeah.
Smash. Smash, come here. And the first ingredient is Smash. The only thing that Aaron knows how to cook with is a microwave.
You.
You. Alright, the ingredients needed to make a cake in the microwave. You need flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, milk, canola oil, water, and you're good. I didn't grab canola oil. Now we're officially ready. And obviously to do this, you're going to need a, what? You're gonna need a microwave safe mug. And I brought this big guy right here. Mix the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt in the mug. So you are going to need 1/4 a cup. Wow, good?
In.
Okay, next. Oh, sugar. You're going to need 1/4 a cup of white sugar. That's easy, you can add that right in there. Or, interesting choice. Next up, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I measured it out already, so you can just dump it right in there. And 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda.
1/4 teaspoon.
1/4.
Missing salt.
Yes, salt. Smash. You need 1/8 of a tablespoon of salt. Smash. Look at him. Now, you want to stir in the milk, canola oil. What is he doing? And yeah,
Why
and
do we have to
the
use
water.
cocoa powder? Why can't we just make this a vanilla one?
Because that's not what allrecipes.com said to use. 3 tablespoons of milk.
3 TPS.
2 tablespoons of Canola oil.
Just milk it.
No, it's spoiled.
Oil, okay.
Yes. And 1 tablespoon of water.
Water.
Here. Are you ready for the water?
Yeah. Come on.
It looks disgusting. Add some chocolate chips. I was ready for this moment. Should I add more?
No, that's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Maybe a few more.
Cook in the microwave until the cake is done, in the middle. It's going to take about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Side note, this microwave is for aesthetic purposes. It's not plugged into anything because there's not an outlet nearby. Wow. You think it's gonna be good? Look at this review. There's a 5-star review that says, this cake helped me out of a dire situation today. I was desperate for chocolate cake. Why is the same comment twice? Someone else was in a dire situation. Desperate for chocolate cake. Have we ever been in a dire situation?
For chocolate cake.
It's ready. It's gonna be so good. Oh, my parents, that's
Big boy, Aaron. What? What?
Look at this. If you decide that you are in dire need, Duncan Hines makes a great chocolate cake.
Then suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster